guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have filmed a look using the Anastasia Riviera Palette. I'm so excited to film with this beautiful palette right here. As soon as this palette launched online, or they showed like the previews, I was obsessed. Me and my best friend were like, oh my god, we have to have this in our life. Never mind the fact that we have to add it to our collection of other Anastasia palettes. I am honestly one of the biggest fans of her eyeshadow palettes and her brand in general. I love her lipsticks, I love her highlighters, love her brow products. I'm wearing the Dip Brow and the Brow Definer in my brows at the moment, and the Clear Brow Gel. But the eyeshadow palettes, you cannot beat them. She has so many gorgeous ones, and the pigmentation I find is just amazing. I absolutely am obsessed with them all. But yeah, this one was a standout because of the fact that it has lots of different shades in there, and it's not your typical palette, and I love the whole vibe of this palette. It's just beautiful. If you want to find out how to recreate this look, just keep watching, and don't forget to like this video down below and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and press the little bell button to get notifications for when I upload next. But yeah, follow my Instagram, which is just Vitelli. I'll leave it in the description box below. But yeah, let me know what you think of this upload schedule. I'm trying to do 2 videos a week. So yeah, I've got a really fun one coming up as well. I'm not sure if I'm posting it before or after this one, but you guys will know. But yeah, I hope you guys will really love the way this look turned out. I really love the way it came out as well. But yeah, if you guys want to find out how to achieve this look right here, just keep watching. Alright guys, so to start off today's video, I have done my base already, same as in my previous videos. Today we're solely focusing on the eyes with the Anastasia Riviera palette. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to film this for so long. Now I've finally gotten around to it, and this palette is such a gorgeous palette. Oh dear lord, like firstly, can we just talk about the packaging? Like, how stunning is this? I love blue and white and just this whole vibe that this palette brings. It's just so beautiful. Then once you open it, it just gets whoa. It gets even more beautiful. Like, the colors in here are so stunning. You get such a different variety of colors in this palette. It's not like your usual neutral palette or usual like pinks or anything like that. It's got pops of everything, which is so beautiful. So I'm really excited to play around with this. So it will be a voiceover for the eye look today, just because we just want to go in depth with the eyes. But yeah, I'm so excited to play with this. Alright guys, so this is the beautiful palette right here. It's so stunning, it's so sleek. It goes with the rest of her beautiful palettes, and the color selection in here is so beautiful. You get a good range of shades. You get blues, pinks, neutrals, a pop of purple, gold, yellow, everything you can think of. Such a different palette to what you usually see, which is I think why I was so drawn to it. Alright, so let's get started. So it will be a voiceover from here on in.
Alright guys, so I've just popped translucent powder underneath, and I'm going to be taking this coral shade just through my crease just to lightly give it a bit of a transition. I'll leave the exact shades that I use just in the description box below. But this shade will really bring out the blend with the next couple of shades. So I'm taking the dark purple, and I'm going to start bringing that from the outer corner all the way into the inner corner, just slowly building it up. And guys, these eyeshadows literally blended so amazingly. Look at that pigmentation, so gorgeous. So I'll just slowly build it up on my MAC 224 blending brush, and just deepen up the shade. And then I'm just going to take a 217 MAC brush that's a little bit more tapered, just to really press it into the crease area, just to get that real defined shape in my crease. And I'm just going to take the dark brown just on the outer corner just to darken it up a little bit. And I'm going to be doing a cut crease. So this step here would work really well with this eyeliner. This is the 94 Inglot Gel Liner. Guys, this has made cutting creases so much more easier. And I'm also taking it on the Inglot concealer brush. I'll leave the exact number in the description box. But these two products together honestly make cutting creases so easy. I've never done it so quick in my life. But literally, it does the outline so easily, and it makes it a really good base for any glitters or any shimmer shadows. I'm just going to go back into the darker brown just to blend where the two meet. And I'm going to take the darker blue shimmer shade just on the outer corner of the lid. And then going to go in with the next blue shade for the middle, and then the lightest blue. These shimmers are beautiful. They blend so nicely together as well. Alright, and now going back in with that other blue shade, the lighter blue. I'll leave the exact name in the description, but it is absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with this color, and lately I'm obsessed with blue, so it is just so beautiful. So I'm going to pop that on the inner corner of the eye and blend it into the second shimmer shade, just on a smaller, more defined brush. And then taking that middle shade again, blending everything together so there's no harsh lines. And I'm going to take this Inglot blue pigment, which is absolutely stunning. I'll leave the name in the description. And just pop that right on top of that light blue shade, just to make the inner corner pop just a touch more. But I love these Inglot loose pigments. They are so beautiful. And just look how stunning that looks. And I'm going to take my Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy liner and just line the inner corner, like where the cut crease is, where I cut it with the gel liner in 94. Just really, really lightly, about halfway, just like that. It gives it just a bit of a pop of shimmer, and it looks beautiful. I love doing this. It just adds that extra pop, and it just finishes off the eye look. So amazing. I love it so much. And this liner is beautiful. I want to get it in every single color. Obsessed. Alright, I'm going to take my Master Precise liquid liner from Maybelline and just pop a really small line next to my lash line, because we're going to pop my fave lashes ever on. My Manicare Stella lashes. They're my ride or die lashes. I cannot go without them. And I just stocked up again. So amazing. I'm going to take a bullet brush from MORPHE and the dark brown shade and just smoke that out on my lower lash line with the purple shade on the 217 MAC brush, just to really smoke it out and even out the eye look. And I'm going to take my Lash Accelerator from Rimmel on my lower lashes. And I'm going to take the white and pop that on my brow bone and inner corner as my highlight. It is so beautiful. Such a nice pop of colour as well. It's got no shimmer as well. I'm going to take my favourite highlighter ever, the Amrezy from Anastasia. This is popping. It is beautiful. It's blinding. I love this highlight. Oh my god, especially after you spray your face with Fix Plus. Oh. I'm going to take my Bite Beauty in 60 lip liner, and I'm going to take my Anastasia lipstick in Peachy, and then my liquid lipstick in So Hollywood. I really love this combo together. I feel like it works really well with the eye look. It's not too overpowering, and once I pop on the liquid lipstick, it looks so pretty. So I'm really happy with the way this look turned out. I love the colours. Pigmentation was amazing. They blended like a dream, and the shimmers are just absolutely stunning.
Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I am obsessed with the way it came out. I love the way that the blue and the purple tones all work together really well. Such a beautiful palette, and I found it really easy to blend. There was a little bit of fallout, but you'll get that with a lot of shadows, so that doesn't even bother me. If you just pop translucent powder, you can dust it away. But yeah, the pigmentation was amazing. It blended like a dream, and I'm totally obsessed. So this can go with my other collection of Anastasia palettes that I love. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like down below and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and press the little bell button to get notifications for when I upload next. But yeah, I hope you guys have a beautiful day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video.